Okay, so I just came out to the garden to finish the squash from the other day, and it's so interesting. I've never seen this before. I have root borers that have totally decimated, but because we've had so much rain, I guess, this year, the squash plants themselves have put out above ground roots like a tomato would almost. And if you look, you can see I'm still getting squash, and look how healthy the plants themselves still are, even though all along the base and root, it's totally, here's where it was in the ground. I mean, you can see that's nothing but mush. I've never seen a squash put, and it's in the ground. I'll try to pull it up and show you. I mean, look at those roots that it's put out all along the base. So I'm in Louisiana. It's near 100 degrees, and we're still getting squash, although they're few and far between these days. That's why I'm gonna go ahead and take them out. But we're still getting squash and healthy plants in mid-July. Let me know if you've ever seen that before. I never have.